Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a poll in Slack. So at first, what you have to do is just open up your Slack software or just go to your browser and search for slack.com. Then just go ahead and log into your account. And after logging in, you're going to see my workspaces over here. Just open any of them. I'm going to open this one. Just click on launch and just wait for it to load. You might have to click on use Slack in your browser. Then just give it a few seconds and it will load the workspace for you. And from here, what you have to do is just go to Google and search for Polly AI. That is Polly space AI, and just go to the first website, polly.ai. From here, what you have to do is just click on try it for free. Then just click on add Polly to Slack. Then just give it some time. It will ask you for authorization. So you can either read through all of this, but make sure your workspace is selected the one you want to add the poll or voting system in. For me, this is the workspace. I'll select this and I'll click on allow. Then just give it some time. And then you can just close this out. And now when the page loads, you can select what type of poll or question you want. Maybe I want a yes or no question or vote. So I'll select this. And after that, you can put the question type in here. For example, do you love rice and beans? And there can be either a yes button or a no button because this is a yes or no question. If you need something else, you can find something else from there. From this main page, you have multiple options. I'll just go with yes or no for now. So the same question, I'll click on save. This is the yes button, this is the no. I'll click on next. And I'll select everything as it is and click on next. You can change it if you want. I'll just select 3 minutes. Click on next. Okay, from here, I need to select the channel. I'll select the new channel. I'll just click on send Polly. Then just wait. It will send the Polly voting to your server. And there you go. Your Polly has been created. Now, if you go back to the channel, you'll see the voting system has been enabled over here. Do you like rice and beans? You can either vote yes or you can vote no. Now, if you want multiple question answers, you can also set it up from this website. So to create multiple questions, you can click on create again and select anything else. For example, multiple choice questions. You can give options to the user to vote about different things over here. And you can create many type of questions here. Just select the one which you need. If you come over to where the poll has been created and vote, you're gonna instantly see the report. And if somebody else votes from here, they're gonna see their result as well. And basically, that is how to create a poll in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.